world of hospitality education, one name stands above the rest: Dr. Suborno Bose, a visionary, an innovator, a mentor. This is the story of a man whose ideas have shaped a generation and inspired a global movement. It all began over 3 decades ago with the founding of the International Institute of Hotel Management, IIHM. From a single campus, Dr. Bose's vision blossomed into a global network of hospitality education, bridging the gap between academia and industry. His strategic alliances, like the MOU with Marriott India, redefined learning by bringing the real world into the classroom. Dr. Bose's journey is decorated with accolades, including the prestigious Lifetime Achievement Award for Hospitality and Education through Technology and the Times Visionary Leader Award, affirming his role as a pioneer who continues to set new benchmarks. At the cutting edge of change, Dr. Bose is redefining hospitality education through technology. From launching the world's first AI-powered hospitality GPT to authoring a path-breaking book on harmonizing AI with hospitality, his legacy is not only about education but transformation. Dr. Bose's influence transcends borders. From global forums to strategic collaborations across 50 nations, he's creating a universal language of hospitality, united in knowledge, ethics, and excellence. To his students and faculty, he is more than a leader. He is a mentor. With every lecture, every conversation, every innovation, he empowers future leaders with the confidence to dream, lead, and serve. From launching International Hospitality Day to leading vocational training programs through the IndusMart Group, behind the accolades and innovations lies a man of warmth, humility, and unwavering purpose. Dr. Suborno Bose, the educator, the leader, the inspiration who transforms lives, one dream at a time, celebrating 35 years of excellence, a journey of vision, values, and global impact. This is not just his story, it is the future of hospitality, led by Dr. Suborno Bose.